So that spooky looking mountain there is called Volcan. It's a dormant volcano here in Boquete, Panama. And at 4 a.m. we're going to the top of it. So here's the thing about that volcano. It has been the most elusive adventure I have experienced, or haven't experienced, since I've been here in Panama. When I came here to Boquete the first time, July 2019, it had been the second time I'd been to Panama, and I was blown away by the look of it, and I was told that you can actually hike it. It takes 6.5 hours to 7 hours to hike up to the top of Volcan. And up there you can see both the Pacific and the Caribbean side of Panama on a very clear day. I had seen photos, some videos, but I wanted to go up and see it myself. This is almost, 2 years later, and I still haven't gotten up there. Every single time we were supposed to go up there, for some reason, something happened. This time, we're supposed to go up tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. Rain has been falling all evening. Entire place covered, and it's now beginning to clear up. So, Baru, I don't care, not this time. I'm coming for you. Okay, I'll give you all more context in the morning because I need to sleep. It's going to be a super early morning, and I know myself, if I don't sleep now, I won't sleep for the entire night because I'll be too excited. So I will continue this in the morning. 3:30 a.m. Action time. So for this adventure, I decided I wanted to drive my own truck up to the top of the volcano. I don't know if that's a good idea because usually you have fully kitted out monster jeeps that the guys from Volcan use to take people up, or you can hike up for 6 or 7 hours. But I wanted to add to this adventure, typical adventure style. So the temperature up there is going to be ridiculous. It might be colder than I have ever experienced. Last time a friend went up, it was about 2 degrees Celsius when he got up there. That part I'm not looking forward to. I'm gonna wear all the clothes I have in my closet, but I'm so excited to finally get up there. It is a treacherous trail full of mud, rocks, depending on the weather, lots of mist and clouds, but I did look outside. The sky seems clear so far. Knock on wood. I think it's gonna be the perfect day. This drive is not for the faint of heart. I'm gonna go grab some friends and get going. Let's do this. Okay, so we picked up everybody and we have started the ascent at 17 degrees Celsius, and we drove for 5 minutes and we're already at 14 degrees Celsius. We have another hour and 45 minutes uphill to go, and it's gonna keep dropping. Let's do this! So we just stopped at the checkpoint. We are going to check our temperature and so on to make sure none of us are COVIDed up, and then proceed beyond those gates, the climb to heaven. We've all been here no less than a year, but all of us have been getting up and looking at this mountain every single day, wishing that we've gotten up there at some point. So we're finally doing it. We're finally here. We're officially down to 7 degrees Celsius and still climbing. I think we have something like 20 minutes left. Climbing, going. We have some company behind us. Let's not keep them back. We're officially at 5 degrees Celsius and did the final sketch climb. It was bumpy AF, and I could not record that part, of course, because I was driving. But whoo, that was rough. And apparently we can see Bocas del Toro from here. The sunrise is coming up, and I'm gonna prepare a time lapse with this camera. So drone and time lapse from here, so you can witness what we're experiencing. We're finally here. We did it. Woo! Woo! Okay, I made it. I'm up. It's cool. It's so cool. It's really cool. We are officially at around 4 degrees Celsius. I don't know what a little Caribbean boy that's accustomed to 35 doing up here, but it's so beautiful.
We're on top of the world!
And I can barely speak or feel my fingers. I don't know, I'm gonna find my fingers to fly this drone when that time comes, but all for the craft. This is amazing. The sun is rising slowly. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cloudy too, but at least we're getting a good clear view. Behind me is the Pacific, and then over there is the Caribbean. Okay, I'm gonna put this phone down and find somewhere very warm to put my fingers. That does not sound right. Okay, bye. Okay, let's talk about it. I am seeing a lot of interest in the comments about people coming to visit, people coming to consider relocating and want to rent somewhere, or just people who flat out want to relocate and buy property here, asking me about properties, the different areas to live in and so on. So my sponsor, Inside Panama Real Estate, has given me an email address that you can reach out to me, and I can channel you to the right people, the right properties and so on, so you can get your dream location and your dream home or your dream property. Be sure to email me at richard@ipreinfo.com, and we'll get right back to you with all the information that you will possibly need for finding property here and possibly relocating. So I have an incredible team that I'm working with. Shoot me that email and I will get you the right person. I'm very thankful to these folks at Inside Panama Real Estate for giving me the opportunity to provide you, my subscriber base and my viewers, with the information that you would need to relocate and find the properties that you so desire. Thanks, folks. And that's a wrap. It's warming up a little bit. The sun came out and raised it a couple degrees, but this is where we head back down. We've gotten to see the sunrise. I've gotten some pretty epic footage. Gotten to put the cameras down and just really appreciate it as well, and now we take our journey back down. This has been amazing. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you for coming along on the journey, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Let's do this.